Ordering food in English can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. But with a few simple phrases, you can feel confident and ready at any restaurant or cafe. Let's explore 5 essential phrases that will help you order food with ease. First phrase, could I see the menu, please? Take a moment to repeat. Could I see the menu, please? This polite phrase will help you begin your dining experience. Second phrase, I'd like the chicken sandwich. Now repeat after me. I'd like the chicken sandwich. Just replace chicken sandwich with whatever you want to order. Third phrase, can I get a glass of water? Say it with me. Can I get a glass of water? This phrase is helpful when you want something to drink. Fourth phrase, could you recommend something? Repeat after me. Could you recommend something? It's perfect for when you're not sure what to choose. Fifth phrase, could I have the check, please? Now repeat. Could I have the check, please? This will help you finish your meal smoothly. Let's quickly review all 5 phrases. Could I see the menu, please? I'd like the chicken sandwich. Can I get a glass of water? Could you recommend something? Could I have the check, please? Which phrase do you find most useful? Share your answer in the comments, and let us know if you want to learn more phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect. You've got this.